Hi everyone, today we are going to see about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. That is, we consider a number p. If p is a number, then it should be divisible by 1 and p itself. What is the meaning of itself? You can understand now. It should be divisible by the same number. That is, in turn, we have to know that prime numbers have only two factors. It should have only two factors. Okay, that's more important. So here we have seen about prime numbers. Now the number which have more than two factors, the number which have more than two factors are known as composite numbers. The number with more than two factors are known as composite numbers. Again I am saying that prime numbers are the natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. That is, prime numbers has only two factors. And the composite numbers is that it has more than two factors. Now, okay, next we are going to see prime numbers between 1 to 10. Okay. Now we are going to see prime numbers between 1 to 10. What are the numbers between 1 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay. Now we take the first number 1. First number 1. That is, 1 is divisible by 1 and 1 is divisible by itself. What is itself is here? It's the same 1. So, the definition, it has only one factor. What is the definition? A prime number should have two factors. But here, this 1 has only one factor. So, therefore, 1 is not a prime number. That is, 1 is not a prime number. You can understand, I think. And what is the definition for a composite number? It should have more than 3 factors. But 1 has only one factor. So, 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. Okay, 1 is not a prime number and it is also not a composite number. Now we are going to take the next number 2. Take 2. Is 2 is divisible by 1? Yes, it is divisible by 1. Is 2 is divisible by itself is 2. It is divisible by itself. Is 2 is divisible by any other number? No, it is not divisible. So, this 2 has only two factors. So, 2 is a prime number. Now, we circle the prime number 2. Okay. Next, we go for 3. Next, we are going for the number 3. Now, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3 is also divisible by 3 itself. So, 3 is a prime number. It has only two factors. Next, we are considering 4. 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by the next number 2. 4 is not divisible by 3 and 4 is divisible by 4 itself. So, this 4 has 3 factors. So, this is not a prime number. But 4 has 3 factors. So, 4 is a composite number. Now, we are considering only the prime numbers. So, we need not worry about the composite numbers. Okay. The 4 is not a prime number. Next, we are taking 5. 5 is divisible by 1. 5 is divisible by Next number is 2. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4. Next, it is divisible by 5 itself. So, it has only 2 factors. So, it is a prime number. Next number we are considering 6. 6 is divisible by 1. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 3. And it is not divisible by 4, 5. Next, it is divisible by 6 itself. So, now see, we have factors. We have 4 factors for 6. So, it is not a prime number. Okay. Now, we can consider for 7. Next, we considering the number. Next number is 7. 7 is divisible by 1. 7 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it is not divisible by those numbers. It is divisible by 7 itself. That is, 7 has only 2 factors. So, it is a prime number. Next, we are taking the next number 8. 8 is divisible by 1. It is divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4. Not by 5. Not by 6. Next, not by 7. It is divisible by 8 itself. But it has 4 factors. What is the definition of prime numbers? It should have only 2 factors. Only. It should have only 2 factors, but it has 4 factors. So 8 is not a prime number. Next we are taking 9. Next number. It is divisible by 1, not by 2, by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is not divisible by those numbers. Next, it is divisible by 9 itself. Okay. It has 3 factors. So, it is not a prime number. Next, we are going to take 10. 10 is divisible by 1, 2, and 5. You all know the numbers multiplication tables, I suppose. So, it is also divisible by 10. It has 4 factors. So, it is also not a prime numbers. So, prime numbers between 1 to 10, we have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. We have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 4 of them. Okay. And I think everybody will understand. Next we see the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. Now we are going to see the prime numbers between 1 to 100. We are going to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Already just before we have found prime numbers between 1 to 10. What are all the prime numbers we have found? 2, 3 and 5, 7. By this, we have to come to a conclusion that the multiples of 2 is not a prime number. Okay, the multiples of 2 is not a prime number. What are the multiples of 2? That is 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are all the multiples of 2. Those are all even numbers. Here we have to conclude that every even number, all even numbers are not prime numbers except for 2. Except 2, all other even numbers are not prime numbers. And we can also note here that the smallest prime number is 2. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. You have to understand these things. These questions may be asked in the one word in the competitive exams. Okay, the smallest prime number is 2. So, all other even numbers other than 2 are not a prime numbers. And the multiples of 5 is also not a prime numbers. Okay, what will be the multiples of 5? The number which ends with 5 and 0. Okay, now we will write from 11 to 20. What are all the possible prime numbers we will write? Okay, first 11. 12 is a even number, so we need not write it. 13, 14 is an even number. 15 is divisible by 5, so it is we no need to consider. And 16 is an even number. we'll take 17. 18 is an even number. We'll take 19 and 20 is a even number. So we conclude up to this and we will check it. Is it a prime number or not? Okay. It is not divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. So these 4 are prime numbers. Next we are going to numbers between 21 to 30. Now we will write 21. 22 is an even number. We will ignore it. 23. 24 is an even number. 25 is a multiple of 5. And 26 is an even number. 27. 28 is an even number. 29 and 30 is an even number. Now I'll check here. 21 is a multiple of something. We have to check it. Is 21 will come in second table? No, it is not an even number, so we'll ignore it. It will come in third table. How we will come decide it? By the divisibility rule. We have to add 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. Next 23 is a prime number. 27 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 27 is divisible by 3. So we are cancelling here. 29 is a prime number. Then 31 to 40. We'll write 31, 33, 37 and 39. Now 31 is a prime number. 33 is a divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. 37 is a prime number. 39 is a divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. Next we are going for 41 to 50. Again we are going to write like this. 41, 43, 47 and 49. Okay. Here 41 is a prime number. 43 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. And 49. Consider 49. You know, everyone knows the table. Okay. So 49 is a multiple of 7. So it is not a prime number. Next we are going to see 51 to 60. That is 51, 53, 57 and 59. Now 51. 5 plus 1 is 6. It is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. 53 is a prime number. 57. Consider 57. 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? Is 12. Is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. 59 is a prime number. Next we will consider numbers from 61 to 70. That is 61, 63, 67 and 69. 61 is a prime number. 63 is a multiple or it is divisible by 7. Sorry. It is 63 is divisible by 7. So it is not a prime number. 67 is a prime number. What is 6 plus 9 is 15. It is divisible by 3 by the divisibility rule. Okay. So it is not a prime number. Next we are going for 71 to 80. Okay. 71, 73, 77, 79. 71 is a prime number. 73 is a prime number. 77 is divisible by 7. So it is not a prime number. And 79 is a prime number. Then 81 to 90. That is 81, 83, 87 and 89. 81. If you are adding, if you are adding the numbers, 8 plus 1 is 9. It is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. 83 is a prime number. 87 is a prime number. And 89. Now we are going to consider about numbers between 81 to 90. So it's 81, 83, 87 and 89. Okay. 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. It is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. 83 is a prime number. 87. 8 plus 7 is 15, it is divisible by 3, so it is not a prime number, and 89 is a prime number. Next we are going to consider the numbers between 91 to 100, that is 91, 93, 97 and 99. Now a 91, it is divisible by 7, so it is not a prime number. 93 is divisible by 3, so it is not a prime number. 97 is a prime number. 99 is divisible by 3, so it is not a prime number. So the other numbers which are not cancelled are the prime numbers. We can now observe from 1 to 10 we have the prime numbers. Here we have 4 prime numbers. Here we have 4, and next from 11 to 24 prime numbers, that is 8. Next 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this is also a important question in the competitive exams, that is number of prime numbers between 1 to 100 is 25. It's the one more question in the competitive exams. Now we have seen what are all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Also I have explained what is prime numbers, what is composite numbers. I think everyone may understand this. That's all for the prime numbers.
I'll catch up in the next video. If you like the video, please share to your friends. For more updates, subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.